we observe that the agriculture sector somehow is failing in the states because of, and I mean failing to start up a stage of self-propelling and self-driven growth. It's because ह्या सरकारान जायत्यो स्किम्यो आहाय, जायते जे चयल्या performance budgetan. But it's because I believe that there is a lack of vision to revive and drive the agriculture forward. आता आमी सगळे because मायनिंगाचे खूब उलयले. But we do not speak with the same commitment when it comes to the agriculture department. It's because जे एक example दिता मुळगांव हिंगा एक गांव हा आणि ह्या गांवांत almost 30% of this village is bought under this mining lease, including agricultural and horticultural lands. It's because if we look at the land in Dargad, in the Tilari project, there is a huge land given to Deltin. And what message are we communicating, Speaker sir? What is the message? Are we serious towards Goa's agriculture? Or is the government's priority for all these casinos, gamings first, and agriculture has to wait? Is this the message, Speaker sir, that we are sending? Speaker sir, agriculture, Magadista, is failing because, and we cannot just keep quiet on it. With the income, jenna mining bond pada, and jenna tourism sector, also there's a lot of pressure. I think agriculture is the only way forward, Speaker sir. And agriculture can be in the part of horticulture and normal agriculture. They are also natural aspects just like mining, Speaker sir. Now, the interest of this agricultural department, how can we make it more convenient? जो कायदो हा, first, Speaker sir, जो आमी एक simplify करपाक जाय with regards to succession and जे family partition जाता. We are all aware, mutation of these family-owned agricultural जे land ha, all these things because जे एक simplification जावपाक जाय. दुसरें Speaker sir, जे 50 वर्सां जाली, जे हे tenancy act हा, Speaker sir, कितले म्हाका दिसता केश्यो pending आहाय. आनी this department, Speaker sir, we need to look at track and time-bound delivery. We just cannot allow agriculturers, Speaker sir, just to get derailed because of this pending tenancy matters. And that's because sir, contract farming ache uloitna, inga, Speaker sir, ek laws of what is the objective and the productivity. There was a calling attention. Now there has to be a law, Speaker sir, that in which Goa's agriculture and focuses only on the productivity. And that's because backdoor entry backdoor entry to transfer our lands or agricultural lands to outsiders. I believe because of the contractual farming law, it should have strict and non-negotiable rules. Because we don't need to do any consultant. Consultant achi goroz na कित्याक जे एक vision document 2012 जेन्ना Dr. Raghunath Mashelkaran under his chairmanship there was a document released. The few highlights I would like to get to the notice of the Honorable Minister. One was he said that we need to build unique Goa brand through organic agriculture. How far have we been successful, Speaker sir? Speaker sir, the government should make use of our agricultural graduate burge hai. And janka practical knowledge hai. Ye practical knowledge needs to be converted to the farmers. In knowledge, Speaker sir. Jenna agriculture department should be given like industry status. He highlighted and he stressed on that. Dusre je foster agriculture entrepreneurship je hai. Speaker sir, je agricultural graduate hai. Enka maga dista agricultural estates kon enka ye zage diupak jai, Speaker sir. We need to provide these to them for agricultural estates and agricultural graduates. Speaker sir, any ek point what he stressed was insurance and speedy compensation for crops. Jenna paus pada exceeding jenna when it rains heavily, damage zata cropak, zonwara lagun, wild animals lagun, damage zata. Inga Speaker sir, insurance ani rockdech maga dista ye shetkarak rockdots or लाभ तुम्ही दिवपाक जाय. जे रुरल प्रोडक्ट आहाय स्पीकर सर, हे रुरल प्रोडक्ट शुड बी लिव्ड, जे आमगे गांवठी प्रोडक्ट आहाय ते हॅव टू बी लिंक्ड टू द अर्बन मार्केट्स. आनी एक मार्केट हे सेटअप जावपाक जाय. मुखेलमंत्रीन अनाउन्स केल्ले त्या दिसा की एक कन्सेप्ट आहा म्हणून. सो हे म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक मतदारसंघान हे जावपाक जाय. एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टराक हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करूंक सोदता. एक बरी एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज तेणें केली आहा. ही हॅज इस्टॅब्लिश्ड इट. नाव स्पीकर सर, इफ वी लूक at the budget provision, it is marginally about 0.89% below the revised estimates of 22-23. And looking at the performance budget, there is a provision for crop production and input management, and a provision 852 lakhs. Now, Kesleo activities, what activities are done under this scheme, the Honorable Minister should state. Assistance for fencing, aneka. Criteria, what is the criteria followed? Speaker sir, जे domestic crop damage जावपाक शिरीपणा आणि जे वायल्ड एनिमला लागून जे हे घुसताय हे बॉन्ड जावपाक स्पीकर सर हे फेन्सिंगाची ही स्कीम केल्या. बट स्पीकर सर, क्रायटेरिया कितें आनी कितले आमगेले हे बेनिफीट जाला हे म्हाका दिसता माननीय मंत्रीन सांगचें. कमर्शियल क्रॉप मो एक हा स्कीम स्पीकर सर, हे जे कोकोनट पॅकेज प्रोग्राम आणि कल्टिवेशन ऑफ रेड ऑयल पाम ही तुगेली एक स्कीम आहा. आतां स्पीकर सर, ही म्हाका दिसता इट नीड्स टू बी पॉप्युलरायज्ड. जायत लोकांक खबर ना ही स्किमे बद्दल. दुसरें, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल एक्सटेंशन म्हणून एक स्कीम आहा. यू हॅव मेड 737 lakhs प्रोविजन केला. आतां what are the steps that has department and which step गेले to attract these beneficiaries हे म्हाका दिसता माननीय मंत्रीन आमकां सांगचें. National Mission of Agricultural Extension and Technology, there is a scheme. Yes, scheme means because a 60% share is from central government and 40% is from the state government. Kitle beneficiary are there under this scheme? आज जेन्ना इतले rampant conversion जाताय, agricultural land conversion जाताय, हे म्हाका दिसता we have to take these steps because of very seriously if we are really interested. You have many programs under horticulture, जे प्रोग्रामान तुवें मेन्शन केला in your performance budget. Productivity of improvement in coconut, assistance for cultivation of other fruits like cashew, mango, assistance for vegetable seeds, cultivation of banana, pineapple, papaya, distribution of fruit plants for homestead gardens. Because ह्यो स्किम्यो सगळ्यो बऱ्यो दिसता पेपराचेर. पण जे थिंगा ऑफिसर आहाय, जे तुगेले हे आय बिलीव दे आर नॉट कॉपरेटिंग आणि हे बारीक जनतेक ह्यो स्किम्यो पब्लिसिटी जावपाक जाय. हे म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीन जे हुंय ना हुंय हे डिपार्टमेंट हिंगा चुकता स्पीकर सर. जे सपोर्ट प्राइस फॉर क्रॉप कंपेन्सेशन, वी वर लुकिंग एट द लिस्ट, ना लाख आनी दुसरे जायत तुमी सपोर्ट प्राइस दिता. स्पीकर सर, आय फील हे सपोर्ट प्राइस इज व्हेरी लो with the current cost of inflation and material, the way it has gone high. I believe this being a cash crop, you should increase a support price. Maga dista tumi वाडोवपाक जाय. Speaker sir, एक provision केला of 2,000 lakhs. It is made for the financial year 23-24 for protective works embankment money. And this provision je 21-22 naale te 1,250 lakhs have been taken. And under this scheme, it is operating two ways. Because it has to be executed completely with government funds, and subsequently you need to recover about 50% from the tenant association. ही एक पाशी. दुसरें because in case of remodeling जाले आणि widening of these bunds, the cost is borne by the government, and तांकां मागीर 10% तुमी हे रिकवर कोता in 10 installment. So स्पीकर सर, कितले हे रिकवरी जाले आनी स्किमीचेर तुवें म्हाका दिसता आमकां एक हायलायट दिवपाक जाय. What is the status of this particular scheme? Now, Speaker sir, I believe that the government has failed to promote the agriculture sector in Goa. Various schemes, implementation is not taking place. I'll give you an example. I have a reply. Intun Speaker sir, 4,039 cases are pending of assured price for paddy, cashew, coconut for 21-22 and 22 and 23. Reason is stated, Speaker sir, that there is no receipt of funds. So Speaker sir, this is something that is very important. मंत्रीक जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता फायनान्स सारखे पावो जायना म्हणून हें लेट जाता, हें जावपा शिरीपणा स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर, जें timely assistance, this government has failed over and over again, the timely assistance to give the farmers, disbursement of support price, or that is when the farmer can probably plan, mukail step घेवपाक शकता. There also they have failed. Organic farming korpakui म्हाका दिसता, it seems to be only on paper. Because sir, जे coconut farming, also there the support price that has been given, there are several cases, as I stated, almost 4,039 cases. Because sir, community farming, also when we spoke, somehow the figures that have been seen is not very good. It doesn't look like in the interest of the local farmers. Because soil conservation aje what kit step gele sarkaran, ani je sugarcane farmer hai, what have you done for them? Because jo ek ethanol plant yopa jahalla, Sanjeevani sugar factory, there also this government, because has failed. Mechanized farming, what is the status? The Honorable Minister needs to tell us what is the status with this and what is the implementation. Speaker sir, if I look at the reply given to me in Annexure 3, it shows that the Goa Horticulture Corporation is in a profit-making organization. So Speaker sir, this profit, I looked at the figures. You are making profits from 18 to 21. So is this government is also providing you funds? So you need to look at this corporation very seriously. And that's because sir, this government has spent 3 crores 25 lakhs on an event of, and they signed an MOU with Isha Outreach Foundation when Sadhguru had come to Goa in August 2022. And that's because sir, I had asked an LEQ, ki age benefit kit zalo. What was the benefit? And Speaker sir, the reply given to LAQ 146 on 31st July, it states that so far no activities, no campaigns, initiatives have been launched by Isha Outreach in Goa. So then I asked him about the benefits received by the state of Goa after signing as benefit ki zalo, 3 crore te event kon. The reply given to me states that the importance of rejuvenation of degraded soil was made among the farming community and general public. We all know the difference between sand and soil, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, how is Isha Foundation, Speaker sir, they have not taken cashless step then after signing the MOU, this reply states, how is this awareness made? How manine mantri insarpak sotta. So ye maga dista inga hui na hui ye eventache inga lagla, Speaker sir. This virus of events has even entered the agriculture department. I will tell you why, Speaker sir. Now, my reply of LAQ 123, and this is the answer, Speaker sir. A reply on 24th July had asked about the event kitu zale kamo. Ani from, Speaker sir, from January 2022 till May 2023, 13 crore, 13 crores have been spent on events in the agriculture department. That what we press, Ami Muntai, this is an event management sarkar. Now, Speaker sir, it seems that the virus has of events has infested the agriculture department also. And the government has spent 13 crores on organizing events from 2022 till May 2023. Now, Speaker sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister on I think the government is confused when it comes to the Sanjeevani sugar factory. Kalcha disa kai choile te farmer ille amche sangeche amdaran maga disa mukhel mantricha pare oilai tanga. Now this was the vision. Ye vision alle amgelo poiloch mukhel mantri Bhausaheb Bandodkar ale. आता इंतून जे एक तुगेले रिप्लाय दिल्या ये रिप्लायन सांगला की तिंगा 3,565 shares are there. Of this, Speaker sir, 3,433 belong to farmers. And almost 132 societies are linked with this particular factory. Now, another reply, Speaker sir, of yours, J7A, Teja, you have stated, I had asked, and you have stated that the government has moved a proposal for voluntary retirement of these employees that were present day. How many of them? 95, Speaker sir, were permanent, and within the age group of 35 to 50. Now this is the prime age of earning their daily bread, Speaker sir. Ani maka dista, why does the government wants to give them VRS? Agriculture department should absorb them in the agriculture departments because engele qualifications some are MCom, some have MSc, some have MA, some are BSc. So why, Speaker sir, is the government moving with that harsh steps towards these Goan brothers of us? Now, Speaker sir, this with relating to the future of this factory, I have been provided with file notes. I am noting magle, and a DPR copy of setting up an ethanol plant on PPP basis. Now, Speaker sir, point number 5 in that, it talks of the redevelopment of the existing sugar factory. It says that the sugarcane crushing capacity should be not less than 700 TCD. And setting up of an ethanol production plant of not less than 45 KLPD through this PPP. Now, point number 7 in this says, because the entire bid process, it has to be finished by August 23. And redevelopment should happen by November 24. Mugele Mantri koden ek request ha, je employees inga hai within the sugar factory, tenka tumi ethanol plant ache tumi accommodate korpak. Ye enka ye hui itle. VRS din enk hui data tumi. Speaker sir, I want the clarity from the Honorable Minister that what he wants to do with respect to this Sanjeevani factory and je employee and je shareholders and the society member hai the Speaker sir. Speaker sir, je together department I believe that you have to use technology. It is the age of technology. To me, drone technology uloite. Speaker sir, je organic farming, jao natural farming, and zero budget farming. Ye je ZAO hai. Dakshin Goyan, Uttar Goyan, temi ye technology promote korpak jay. Te kona is Speaker sir. And ye technology je tumi uza kodai te tungele je farm hai. Walpoe, Mapsa, Old Goa, Kalya, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Modgaon jya. Inga tumi ye experiment korpak jay. If you practice and if you keep records, my falya e amgele je farmer hai, e etle tuj bore, are so in baba e bore zat me. Because they are scared. Speaker sir, जो गव्हर्नर येल्लो आमचो गुजराताचो, ही स्पीकर सर he demonstrated in natural farming Cabo Raja. हिंगा तेणे for Goan farmers under national farming म्हणून तेणे एक concept केलो, and I think it is quite successful. So whether you all can replicate all over the state of Goa, you need to look at that, Speaker sir. And Speaker sir, जे बॉर क्वालिटी क्रॉप आहे जावं जे मार्कुरात आंबे आहे ब्लॅक रायस कॅजू नट्स जे हे जाताय यो एक्सपोर्ट करपाक कित प्रयत्न जाला म्हाका दिसता बॉर क्वालिटीचो इफ यू यूज सायंटिफिक मेथड्स यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ इनकम बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड स्पीकर सर बट हे क्वालिटी जी आहा ती राखपाक जाय सो हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन जे आहा यू हॅव टू इन्वॉल्व देम स्पीकर सर आनी जे बरे सायंटिस्ट आहे एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट आहे प्रोफेसर जे दुसरे कॉलेजी आहा हेंकां बरें ट्रेनिंग दिवपाक जाय स्पीकर जेन्ना आमगेले भुरगे इन्वॉल्व जातले जाल्यारूच म्हाका दिसता हे एग्रीकल्चर आनी एग्रो बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज मुखार एक पावल मारपाक शकताय आनी एक स्पीकर सर हांव मंत्री लागीं मागता की यू शुड लूक स्पीकर सर ऑफ हे जे सब्जेक्ट आहे विथ रिलेटिंग टू एग्रीकल्चरल फार्मिंग आनी एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज हे 8th स्टँडर्ड आणि 9th स्टँडर्ड सिलेबसान तूं इंट्रोड्यूस करपाक जाय हे एक प्रयत्न जावपाक जाय सगळें हे मायनिंगान म्हाका दिसना केन्ना स्टार्ट जातलें म्हूण चलत ते भाशेन हे एग्रीकल्चराचेरूय आमगेलो भुरग्यांचो फुडार जावपाक जाय सो हेजेर हे सिलेबसान हें करपाक बेजीक ट्रेनींग सो दॅट स्पीकर सर हे आमगेले भुरगे जे फ्युचर जेनरेशन आहाय तांकां एक फुडार बरो जाच म्हूण स्पीकर सर स्पीकिंग ऑन the handicrafts, textile and coir industry, the budget provision is 11.92% above your revised estimate. आता ये benefit सगळे population पावपाक जे तुगेल्यो स्कीम आहे रिजाइड जे दोंगरार रावताय जावं सत्तरी दारबंदरा सांग्यार काणकोण हे वेलफेअर ऑफ ट्रायबल पॉप्युलेशन आणि ट्रायबल सब प्लॅन म्हणून एक आणि SC पॉप्युलेशन आता स्पीकर सर ह्यो ज्यो स्कीमी आहाय ह्यो स्कीम्यो कितल्यो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर फॉर एग्जांपल जे एक स्कीम आहा तुगेले विश्वकर्मा कुशल योजना ही स्कीम स्पीकर सर कितल्यो ट्रेनिंग सेंटरांनी इम्प्लिमेंट केला आनी कितले मनीस जे कितले भुरगे आमगेले सेल्फ सफिशियंट जाले हे स्किमी नंतर जो परफॉर्मन्स बजेटान तुगेले दिला की जे इंडस्ट्रीज आहे फॉर हँडलूम प्रोडक्शन ह्यो इंडस्ट्री आनी प्रोडक्शन सेंटर्स वेळ्ळे सुल्ला अस्नोरा हे सगळे गांवांत आहे आनी तुगेले जे पावर लूम आहे हे पावर लूम प्रोडक्शन सेंटर्स स्पीकर सर इज इन वाडें सांगे शिरोडा आनी पोंडा हे 3 जाग्यार आहे जो रॉ मटेरियल आहा वॉट यो रॉ लोकली सोर्स जाता स्पीकर सर लोकली आमकां मेळटा ओ इम्पोर्ट कोताय आनी वॉट इज द एक्सपेंडिचर हेजेर म्हाका दिसता माननीय मंत्रीन आमकां क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर हँडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्रींतूय हँडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री जे डिफरंट हँडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्रीज तुगेले आहा एज पर योर परफॉर्मन्स बजेट टेलरिंग एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी सेंटर बॅम्बू एंड पॉटरी सेंटर्स ट्रेनिंग एंड डिझायन सेंटर्स जे पैंगिणीचे गांवांत आनी काणकोणचे गांवांतूय आहे आतां आय बिलीव दॅट जे नॉर्म्स तुमगे आहाय हे सेंटर ते नॉर्म्साचे चलताय काय कितें माननीय मंत्रीन आमकां हेजेर सांगपाक जाय स्पीकर सर आय बिलीव दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फेल्ड टू एनकरेज जे लोकल आमगेले आर्टिसन्स आहाय कंप्लिटली दे आर फेल्ड आमगेले चितारी आर्ट्स मो आमगे कुंकोळज गांवांत आहाय फामाद सारके पूण तांकां कांय एसिस्टन्स मेळना कांय एब्सोल्युटली नो एसिस्टन्स आनी ते भुरगेय तेंगेले मुखार ते आर्ट करपाक सोदनाय स्पीकर सर एडवान्स स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्राम हेय म्हाका दिसता लोकलांक देर हॅव टू बी ट्रेन्ड इन दीस देर आर व्हेरी फ्यू हँडीक्राफ्ट एक्झिबिशन हे एक्झिबिशन हाऊ मेनी हॅव बीन डन स्पीकर सर जे वी नीड टू एनकरेज द जे पार्टिसिपेशन जावपाक जाय जे लोकल आमगेले आर्टिसन्स आहाय जे नॅशनल लेवल आनी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचे ही एक्झिबिशन जावपाक सरकार हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता फाटी पडला स्पीकर सर टेक्सटायल इंडस्ट्री लोकल जी आमगे ही टेक्सटायल इंडस्ट्री हूंय ना हूंय यू हॅव फेल्ड टू प्रमोट सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप आनी जे प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसाचे जे मुर्त्यो जाताय थिंगाय म्हाका दिसता जे आमगेले लोकल भावांक ते त्रास जाताय हूंय ना हूंय दीस प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसाचे आयडल्स जातात स्पीकर सर देर हॅज टू बी अ बॅन स्पीकर सर स्पीकिंग ऑन लास्ट 5 मिनटान काबार ऑन सिव्हिल सप्लायज आतां जे एसेन्शियल कमोडिटीज आहाय इट हॅज बीन हायलायटेड आनी दीस एसेन्शियल कमोडिटीज जे 452 एज पर युअर परफॉर्मन्स बजेट हे 452 फेर शॉप हाचे ऑल ओवर गोवा आहाय नाव government must inform that how much rice or wheat was purchased and how much is distributed. There are a lot of complaints. Now, Mananiya Mantri Barir, I will bring up 2-3 cases to you. People, loka think कांयच मेळना आमगेले बागांत आहाय हांव ते पर्सनली तुजे बरें हाडटलो हेजेर तुवें एक्शन घेवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर जे सबसिडी फॉर मिटींग शॉर्टफॉल म्हूण तुवें परफॉर्मन्स बजेटान अनाउन्स केला एंड यू हॅव मेड प्रोविजन ऑफ 80 lakhs. नाव स्पीकर सर for procurements of food grains, transportation and handling charges. Similarly, you have also made a provision of 5 crores under the tribe scheme. Now, what is the idea behind this provision of making this subsidy, Speaker sir? The government should explain this scheme. I believe, Speaker sir, there is another one, Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, 5.28 crores of provision kela. Strengthening and modernizing of consumer court. हिंगाय 5 करोडाचे म्हाका दिसता तुवें प्रोविजन केला स्पीकर सर दीस गव्हर्मेंट स्पीकर सर द डिपार्टमेंट हॅज फेल टू कंट्रोल एंड मेंटेन जे क्वॉलिटी आहा ऑफ रायस or wheat or there has been a lot of pilferage that is happening स्पीकर सर जे गुड क्वॉलिटी जे लोकांक मेळपाक जाय हूंय ना हूंय आज त्रास जाताय लोकांक स्पीकर सर जे सिव्हिल सप्लायची जी चेन आहा there are complaints from a lot of बारीक लोकां कडेन की हे आमकां टायमाक मेळ्ळाय मू कोण आतां हे सिव्हिल सप्लाय भितर वेदर द कोण हे ज्यो कारणीभूत आहा हे म्हाका दिसता माननीय मंत्रीन हे क्लियर करपाक जाय जे स्पीकर सर एक्शन अगेन्स्ट जे हे ऑफिसर आहाय नाव आय थिंक मिनिस्टर शूड टेक एक्शन अगेन्स्ट देम इफ दे आर इरिस्पॉन्सिबल आनी स्पीकर सर जे टायमली असिस्टन्स टू दीस फेर प्रायस शॉप here also this government has failed. So Speaker sir, at the end I would request the Honorable Minister that agriculture being should be the backbone of Goa's industry. I hope that the Honorable Minister will clear all what we have said. Thank you, Speaker.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.